It's there.
Yeah, it's right. See it? Yeah, it's right there, guys.
We got a watercraft here.
Yeah. Okay, give me a. This is IBR override, take 2, and then clap your hands, and then I'll count you in.
IBR override, take 2. Override, take 3. I messed up.
All right, stand by.
Hey, George.
Start over. You said, "Hey, George," like you're talking to George.
Yeah. Take 5. Take 8. Take 9. Like articulate more, right? No.
Don't do that.
IBR override, take 10. Dude, I do everything better with beer. IBR override, take 11, take 12, take 13, take 14, take 15, 16. Certified CD technician for West Coast Watercraft Customs. Let's start
It's a
that.
new show. All right.
What take is this? 19?
Sure.
Let me see that script again, Lewis. Take 21, IBR override, take 22, take 23, take 31, take 300. It's not as easy as I thought.